my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I've got a bunch going on right now, as well as every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of September, it is the Mood Ruby May palette. I will put a link in the description box down below for that giveaway, as well as all my other giveaways that are going on right now. So today we are unboxing the September Lip Monthly Bag. It's $12.95 a month and it's 4 to 5 full-size lip products. So let's dive in and see what's in here. They always send a cute little card, and this one says, Lips Don't Lie, September 2019. And then on this side it says, welcome to the September 2019 bag. Autumn is near and leaves will soon start to fall. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. And there's still a little time to enjoy the tail end of the summer sunshine. This month we've created a bag of lippies that'll help you transition smoothly from summer to fall. Ooh, the first item in here is from Laurant. It's $22. This matte weightless long-wearing liquid lipstick offers full coverage color with a velvet-like finish that glides on smoothly and lasts all day. Our super intense pigment will dry 100% matte, creating the perfect transfer-proof look. I do know that Laurant is cruelty-free. Ooh, how pretty. It's in the shade Bestie. I'm just going to swatch that here. Ooh, this is really pretty. And there's what that looks like. Let me go remove the color lipstick that I have on right now. So what do you think? I really like it. I think it's cute. So because Lip Monthly does not put a description card, the description of the products on their card here, I've gone ahead and taken a little peek at what the rest of it is so I can gather the prices and everything for you guys. So I will tell you that we are going to be having a giveaway specifically in this video for the remaining 3 products. So let's show you what they are. The first one is from Dirty Little Secret. Is their Rose Petal lip gloss. Retails for $14. And it's a Dirty Little Secret awards-winning formula. Gives high shine with a lightweight feel with no stickiness. This gloss will keep your lips hydrated and moisturized, leaving them looking fuller and healthier. Dirty Little Secrets is cruelty-free, and here is the shade. It is in the shade Rose Petal. How pretty is this for a lip gloss? And this can be yours. We also have a lip pencil from Model Co. It is the Illusion Lip Liner. And it doesn't say shade, but you can kind of see it's kind of a rose colored here. I think this would actually go really pretty with this. And it does have a built-in sharpener on this end. And this one is also going in that giveaway. And lastly, Lip Monthly makes their own cosmetics. So this is the Lip Monthly Liquid Lip, and it looks like it's in this pretty nude shade. I don't want to open it up. And it just says that it's in the shade 2. And this will also go in that giveaway. So you will be getting the Dirty Little Secret lip gloss, the lip pencil from Model Co., and from Lip Monthly, the liquid lipstick. And my giveaways are always really easy. Number 1 rule is you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check to make sure that you are subscribed. I will use a random comment picker, and when it picks the comment, so your comment can be whatever you'd like it to be. I would highly recommend you leave some way for me to get in contact with you, either an email, Instagram handle, some way, because a lot of times YouTube is not great about letting people know that I've replied back to their comment saying, hey, you won, congratulations, you have 48 hours to get back to me. And I'll leave my email address, and if a person doesn't get back to me within 48 hours, then I will go ahead and pick another winner. You must be 18 years old or have your parents' permission to enter. Like this video and make sure to watch it in its entirety. This giveaway will go through October 17th. Then on October 18th, I will go ahead and pick the winner. So I hope you liked this little video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. It's the only way to enter the giveaways. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.